This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Sharon Ingalls. Beautiful craftsman home on 2.29 acres in Hawthorne Meadows with Mount Baker mountain views. Open floor plan with vaulted great room, gas fireplace with stonework, spacious dining room and kitchen all looking onto your private backyard. Large kitchen features island with eating bar, granite counters, stainless appliances and abundance of cabinets. Peaceful main floor master suite features soaking tub, tile walk-in shower, double vanity and 2 walk-in closets. Upstairs you'll enjoy 2 bedrooms, office, full bath plus huge bonus room. You'll have space for everything in your large 3-car garage plus a storage building gym, office, with covered porch. All this in a country setting, yet only 5 minutes to I-5 and shopping mall.